teams are coming, that means get more money with teams anyway.
So this is an old church. It's all right I take little video. I think it's so interesting. It's an old church.
$44. $50. Oh, look.
What? Oh, no. Oh, Lord. Oh. Oh, my goodness, I'm not with it today. I need another 100 white cards. I did have 200 white cards, didn't I?
You did.
Oh, my goodness. I'm not being very bright today.
Oh, sorry, Bradley.
So there are 200 in here.
That's 200.
Right, so I need another 100.
That's 100.
Okay, right. Got everything now. I've got 300 white candles, 300 roses.
£7, please. Lovely, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.